What's the meaning of Australian rules football? Australian rules football. Australian rules football.
Australian rules football. Australian rules football. Australian rules football is a contact sport that originated in Australia. It is played with an oval-shaped ball and involves two teams of 18 players each. The objective is to score points by kicking the ball between two sets of goalposts. Players can also pass the ball by punching or handballing it to their teammates. The game is fast-paced and physically demanding, with high levels of athleticism and skill required. The result of a match is determined by the total number of points scored by each team, with the highest scoring team declared the winner.